Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video we will discuss about the search bar. We have the data which includes country, element and corporation, and we have the search bar in which if I write the word China, so it will highlight in the country. In the same way, if I use the word like gold to know about the element, so you can see here it highlighted the gold. In the same way, if I write here experts miners, so you can see here it highlighted the word. This is how we will discuss today in detail about to make the search bar. Let's start our example from the scratch. To make the search bar, we need to find the two formulas, in which our first formula is to know either the search bar is empty or not. So we use equals to, select the cell which is B4, greater than less than, inverted comma, open and close, enter. So it says false, and if I write any letter in it, so it says true, which means it is not empty. So it completed our first formula. Now our second formula is to use search, equals to search, bracket open, and in the search you can see it wants find text, so we select the bar which is B4, comma, and in the second it says within text, so we select the first cell which is China and close bracket and press here enter. So we got 3, which means I stands in third position. If I use C, so you can see here in China C stands in first. If I write whole word or write that, so you can see it says nothing. In the similar way, if I use whole word China, so it counts 1. Now need to make some amendment in the second formula, like we use in this chart is number, bracket open, and similar way we need to close the bracket and press here enter. So it gives us the value in the true and false format. Now if I just write here that, so it says it is not available, so it says false. If I use C, so it says available, so it gives me true. Now we need to combine both the formulas to make a single one formula. So select the first formula's detail, copy, and to combine in the second, we first use in the beginning and and bracket open. Now paste our first formula, and after pasting it we write comma, and in the last we just close the bracket, so it becomes complete. But before closing it, we make constant our B4, and in the similar way we again constant the address cell B4 and write here enter. So our second formula, or our full combination of first and second formula completed. Now we only need to simple like first copy whole formula. Now we need to select the whole table of data and go here in the home, in the conditional formatting. You can see here new rule function, so we go here in the new rule function. You can see here use a formula to determine and paste our formula. Now to highlight the cell, we go here in the format, and in the fill option we need to select the color and press here OK and again OK. So you can see here it highlights the C word. Now if I use here the whole country name China, so it is reflecting twice because it found China into columns, like in the coal. So you can see here in the 3 cells, and if I write here like Australia, so you can see here it reflects in the 2 columns. And you can search further if you need or if you want. Like if I search expert miners, so it will not reflect because we have the data in which it includes experts miner. And if I just put the S and enter, so you can see here it highlight the cell. This is how we can find the search option.